Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. APLD stock sitting at 11.43 right now. What did I tell you guys the other day? I said, hey, if this comes any lower, if this goes any lower, we're going to come back to 10 and under. Well, it kind of helps that we had an overall market dump, right? Oh, no, Iran. Yeah, Iran did its thing, and yeah, that's... I don't know what else to say. There's nothing you can do about events like this outside of you can see on my watch list, red everywhere. So this is kind of, I don't want to say it's normal, but whenever war is declared, kind of like when Russia attacked Ukraine, the stock market reacts by absolutely falling. But we know that has nothing to do with the company, right? It's not like APLD dropped the bomb, right? It's not like APLD was like, all right, we're sending in the airstrikes. APLD has nothing to do with it. It's just people overreacting. And that's fine. It gives us the opportunity to buy these 8%, 7%, 5%, 9%, 10%, 12%, 15% dips, depending on the volatility of the stock more than anything. So APLD stock, I give this a buy under 10. Be patient with it. Let it come down. If it does not hold 11s, especially after what happened, we should see this under 10. So hopefully no one chased at 15. No, hopefully nobody chased like Rigetti quantum stocks at highs. Like that would just be stupid. This is why you always wait for things to come back down, because they always do. And you ever look at these tops and think like, who buys up here? Like, who are the suckers that just go, ooh, I'm gonna buy all the way up here? I don't know who always chases these tops. Like who are those suckers? I wonder. Anyways, the MACD did cross under in the daily, so we should have some strength to the downside. Let me just check the other stocks. Let me check SoundHound. That one should be heading lower as well. So we should see a lot of stocks giving us a lot of opportunity more than anything. We should see a lot of opportunity coming up right now. I am wondering though, am I gonna... Let me look at NVIDIA just to make sure, because NVIDIA is also the one that's invested. So let me see. Yeah, even NVIDIA. If NVIDIA, I'm sure you guys remember me saying this. If NVIDIA's tanking, usually a sign that everything else is going to come down, right? Usually a sign. If the company that's invested in APLD is also falling, you would expect everything else to follow through in terms of downside. So this is expected. So if NVIDIA finds support at around, I would have to find support at 139 or 137. Depending on how low, I don't know how low we're going to go. We could really, it looks pretty bad. Let me put it that way. It looks quote unquote bad, right? It looks like we're really going to come down as a whole. Like not just one day, but a couple of days in a row. And that's, again, I say it's bad, but really it's opportunity. That's what that is. It's opportunity to buy the dip. So you want a dip, you got it. So that's all I have to say with regards to APLD stock. It's a buy. Give it a buy under 10. I'll see you guys in the next one. Because here's the best part. You buy at 10, you hold it for 15, because you know that's going to be the next level. It's going to have to eventually come back to 15. And if it wants to go to 20, it has to break 15. It was at 34 at one point in the past. So buy it at 10. Just set a take profit of 15, and boom, that's your 50% right there. That's the game plan.